Well, hey, welcome back, everybody. This is my second video. I made a little introductory video, but now we got a train coming. Got a northbound here.
CSX detector, milepost 179.0, track main 1. Turbo.
Alrighty then. Now, just to remark on what I said earlier about where I'm at in the earlier video.
Drop the flag in CSX detector, milepost 179.0, track main 1. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 2, 3, 4. Length 5, 3, 7, 7. Detector out.
Well, the one thing about it is
Clear MP1 track, AC main, aisle 26 north, no defects though. Just leave the DC there and we'll wait for the flag drop on the head.
did he say I-126? Well, see, I got to familiarize myself with some of these videos. I think with this area and what trains are on the Henderson subdivision and the mainline subdivision. I know all my mainline numbers, but the Henderson's the one I got to get used to. So that very well could have been a train. Track 1, I believe, is the outer track there. So, or main 1. So anyway, there is a defect detector right up there. So that's one of Mr. Ed's in Fountainhead. It's one of his cousins down south. So I'm surprised he didn't have a southern accent or a bit of a southern drawl. Maybe CSX might do that for us. But anyway, okay, so they've got us one train, made us one video, and so I would appreciate you watching. If you like it, subscribe.
Like I said, we'll probably make it 38.
Trying to make a comeback here, guys, and I hope you come with me. So this is an interesting area down here on a beautiful day. So bear with me, and we'll see what we can do. All right, thanks for watching.